This week, our theme is going to be about what it means to build with your very own AI team. I know it's absolutely incredible to think we even live in a world with these kinds of possibilities. I want you to think of this like assembling a dream team for a sports league. Imagine that like each player has unique strengths and roles, and it's when they come together that these amazing games happen that just captivate everyone's attention. Similarly, in a world, like our world of work with AI, creativity, and all these different things we have to do, AI can play a really, really, really incredible role. It has a variety of different skills and strengths that it brings to the table, and each one is really tailored to maximize efficiency and spark innovation if you know how to bring out its best. So today I want to be able to explore how you can identify these roles and how you can integrate. So today I want to explore how you can identify what these roles are, how you can integrate AI effectively into your team to bring out the best. Now imagine you are the coach of the team and your first task is to identify the different positions that you need for whatever winning strategy it is that you are implementing. In an AI world, this basically means looking at your workflow and being able to ask some really important questions. We literally do this in 2 hours with our clients, and I'm going to share the strategy with you right now. Question number one is, what tasks are repetitive or time consuming but really important to do? Number two, are there aspects of your work that you wish you could delegate or outsource? Basically, if you wanted to hire somebody to do certain aspects of your job, what would that be? And number three, which parts of my projects are just not as enjoyable, they're draining me, and they just are challenging, and I could use some help with them. So where automation can not only just save you time, but also enhance the quality of your output is when you begin answering these questions. Just like a coach recognizes a player's potential to excel in a certain position, you can actually pinpoint where AI can play its best role in your workflow as well, opening up tremendous opportunity for what's possible in your workflow, in your teams, and in your organizations. Last week, I was working with a marketing department, and one member of their team shared how stressed they were because they were like backlogged by like 30 social media posts. And what she realized was that compiling the data and the analytics was just taking up so much of her time, which she could have better spent on creative strategy development for how to better engage their audience. So she actually created a GPT. And if you're not familiar with what a GPT is, it's basically a feature within ChatGPT where you can create a conversation that is really dedicated to a specific task. And you can pull it up anytime you need that task done. So in this case, she created one all for data analysis. So you train it very specifically on what you need. So you're not like repeating your instructions over and over and over again. You click your GPT, and it can perform your task. And after she created that, she was then able to focus more on the creative aspect while her AI teammate and player was handling more of the number crunching, data analysis. Kind of like having like an amazing goalkeeper and making sure that no data slips are getting through and that you're still leveraging your analytics because it's still important, but you're also getting a chance to focus on what you do best and what matters most. Now, as always, I have a prompt to share with you in the show notes. And these prompts are really designed for you to edit, just personalize with your information, and then copy and paste so that you can actually implement the different ideas that I share with you in these daily sparks. And so every day you're going to get better and better and better at prompting, practicing, but also building culture in your organization. So as you think about building out your own AI team, consider the diversity of skills and roles that are needed. I want you to also think about the balance between creative and routine tasks in your workflow. Creative ones are better suited for us. Routine ones are better suited for the machine. And I want you to think about how AI can complement your skills and strengths, not just your ones, but the ones of people on your team, so that you're not just replacing tasks, but you're also accelerating the possibilities, really freeing up your time, again, so your team can focus on what matters most. As always, start small, perhaps with one AI tool, always ChatGPT in my opinion, that handles a specific task, and then gradually you can expand your team, creating more and more roles for AI as you see more and more opportunities for collaboration. Now remember, building your AI team is not just about enhancing your strengths. It's definitely not about replacing you. It's about being able to create this like amazing team where every single member human or AI, is playing their part to help us do better things and do things better. So take the role of a visionary coach, identify where your AI teammates can really shine and outperform, and watch as your team's efficiency and creativity soars to new heights. So until next time on your Daily Spark, please keep sharing your stories. They motivate me so much to keep going, keep building, keep dreaming, and let AI amplify your team's potential instead of replacing them.